Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a practical video on arbitrage trading secrets I wish I knew earlier. Crypto arbitrage trading is about buying a cryptocurrency from one exchange at a lower price and selling that same token in another exchange but at a higher price. That difference in price is our profit. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To carry out this arbitrage trade, we need a crypto wallet. We will use Trust Wallet. The coin I want to trade is Cardano, also called ADA. By default, you won't have it on your dashboard, so you have to add it. To do that, click on the icon at the top right and type in Cardano. Switch on the BEP20 version. I have successfully added Cardano to my dashboard. To do this arbitrage, you need to fund your Trust Wallet with BEP20 USDT, BUSD, BEP20 BNB, or Bitcoin, with the amount you want to trade with $50 as the minimum. Now notice that the price of Cardano on the Cardano website is 0.2432. But on Trust Wallet, the price of Cardano is 0.29325. This price difference will be our profit. We will buy from the Cardano website and swap it back to USDT on Trust Wallet for profit. So basically, we will buy Cardano from the website and swap it on Trust Wallet to make 13 to 20% profit. Now let's open our browser. Go to the Cardano website, cardanotoken.org, and carry out the trade. Tap the option bar and select the coin to trade with: BNB, Bitcoin, BUSD, or USDT. Enter an amount to trade with, let's say $100. Click Buy ADA. You will be redirected to Trust Wallet. Click Next and click Confirm. As you can see, the $100 has been swapped in my wallet for 410 Cardano. I swapped $100 for 410 ADA at the price of $0.24. And the 410 Cardano is worth $120 on Trust Wallet. Let's proceed to convert it back to USDT. Open the Cardano coin tab. Click Swap. Click Swap ADA. Change the second option from BNB to USDT. Tap the first input box. I want to swap all my ADA, so I'll select 100%. Click Approve ADA. And click Confirm Swap. After approval, click Preview Swap and click Confirm Swap. Within a few seconds, it will be approved and all our ADA will be swapped back to USDT. As you can see, the transaction is completed successfully. We have successfully swapped all our ADA tokens to USDT and made $19.4 profit. The arbitrage gap ranges up to 20% profit depending on market fluctuations. You can take this trade as many times as possible, as long as the price difference exists, and keep repeating to grow your profits. At the time of recording, the price difference allowed us to make an extra $19.4 profit on our $100. That's like an extra 20% profit. So just follow the steps I showed in this video. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and share button. Till next time, have a great rest of the day. Cheers.